Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Morning,
morning,
bro.
Sis Pookie. Hello, Bro Fajar. Hello, Sis Yani. And also we have Sis Finda, Sis Auntie, Sis Fiona. Alright, see you guys. Welcome back to our class again. Oh, you guys, Sis Pookie, how do you do?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay, so what do you feel right now, Sis Pookie?
I'm feeling blessed.
You're feeling blessed today, right? It's amazing. It's Friday time, and you feel so blessed. It's really cold. It's funky. It's
Yeah.
funky. Have you had your dinner? Not dinner. I
Eh,
mean breakfast.
breakfast.
Yep.
Yes, I have.
Oh,
Yes, I.
sure. Are
I
you? Hmm?
ate banana.
You eat banana. So Spunky, do you cook this morning?
Not yet.
Not yet. Maybe after this you will cook.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Because
Uh-uh.
um
All
I'm
right. What?
having dinner at
Hmm?
6 o'clock.
Oh, you just have dinner at 6 o'clock, so you will maybe cook in the evening later, in the afternoon, I mean.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Oh, sure. Okay, Sis Spooky, that's nice. Thank you so much, Sis Spooky. Great one. Okay, what
Thank
about
you.
you? Most welcome. Bro Fajar, what about you, bro? Bro Fajar,
Yeah, hello,
how do
bro.
you do? You good, bro?
I'm amazing.
You're amazing. So
I'm,
what do you feel today, bro Fajar?
um, Today I felt blessing and
Blessing?
grateful
Grateful as well?
alive until now.
Mm, that's a great. Okay, that's Bro Fajar. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Bro Fajar. It's
uh,
amazing. Great. Okay. Wow, Sis Yani, what about you?
I'm
Sis
good,
Yani,
bro.
you're a good try, Sis Yani. It's a nice Sis Yani if
Mm.
you were always good and nice. Okay. Well, guys, thank you so much, everyone. Hello, Sis Frida, Sis Auntie, Sis Medliani, Sis Fiona. I hope everyone here is great. Okay. So, guys, let's start the class while waiting authors. So, good morning. Welcome back to our class again, everyone, with Speaking Partner.
we
We
Are
are the
the
We
best.
are
best
the best
partner.
partner.
What's buzzword, guys?
Smile.
All right, thank you so much, everyone. So, guys, today is a Friday. This is our fifth meetings, by the way. We have been learning so far for about 2 weeks, I guess, yeah. Okay, but before that, guys, I would like to ask you, what is the hard things of English that you are still struggling so far? Guys, anyone? Anyone has an answer? What is the struggle thing that you need to improve a lot this time?
Listening.
Listening. Oh, this is Andy. That's the listening. What else, guys? Is it grammar? What? Sisfinda, what did you say? I couldn't hear your voice. Oh, speaking. Okay, good. And what else, guys?
Speaking and grammar.
The grammar. Okay. That's kind. So we need to fix it, everyone. So from his auntie, maybe is listening. So we need to do that listening, yeah. So it's really important as well. Okay. And also grammar. Yes, we need to learn about the grammar. I guess if grammar it has a lot of parts. Which one is difficult one? Is it about tenses? Hmm?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Oh sure, that's about tenses, yeah. Okay. So we need to talk a lot
Tense
again about
and
tenses.
this.
Tenses, yeah. That's good. The best way to learn tenses is by learning by doing, Sisiani. What are you doing right now? Just make it in a sentence. It will help you. We need to discuss again later, I guess, yeah, about tenses as well. And also about speaking. Yeah, so every day we need to have speak, guys. We need to have a conversation. So I hope it can improve your speaking as well. Okay, what about the pronunciation, guys? What do you think? The
Yes.
pronunciation.
Difficult too.
Difficult to write. Okay. That's all right, guys. So we still have a lot of homework to get it better. just the struggling to have to code one and just keep going, everyone. Okay, so we need to learn one by one. We need to improve in this level, like our listening, whatever grammar. Okay, is really important as well. Grammar is important, everyone. Even though when we are speaking, so basically, if you talk about speaking, you can understand what I talk about. That's enough, right? Okay, so it's enough. But in this part, we need to have more than that. Okay, why? Maybe yes, it's because we want to have a good speaking. So we need to learn about the grammar. Okay, even though when I ask you like, she's Fiona,
Hmm?
you good? Yeah, I asked your condition. She's Fiona, you good? You can
Yes,
understand, right?
I'm good.
Yeah, you can understand that one. But in the grammar, when I ask you, "Sis Fiona, you good?" Itu salah, guys, in the grammar. Is that right? You good?
Yep.
Kamu baik is not correct in a grammar. But in communication, yeah, in just speaking, it's correct because you can understand what I mean. Okay, that's about speak conversation or maybe communication. Yang penting kamu paham, saya paham. But actually, guys, the main point is how to speak English well. So that's why we learn the grammar, how to create a sentence. That would be better we say, "Are you good?" Itu lebih baik daripada just "You good?" That's for example, yeah. Okay, so guys, go ahead to the next part. And today, yesterday we just talked about junior statsman. So before we jump to the main topic, I would like to ask you. Oh, we have Bromwardi. Hello, Bromwardi. Welcome to the class. Oh
Halo
my
Prof.
God. Yeah, it has been a while. Yeah, so
Sorry,
finally you joined the class again.
yeah, this is first time I join in this class
Mm-mm.
because in this week I'm very proud about my activity.
That
I'm
was
sorry
a
about
right,
that.
bro. That's a right, Bromwardi. And the important one, you can join again. Once we meet again, bro. It's a
Thank you,
nice
bro.
Bromwardi. Sorry, clutch image here. Okay, so guys, would like to ask you, since auntie, tomorrow is on the weekend, sis auntie. Do you have a plan to spend your weekend tomorrow?
No, I have a special plan tomorrow. I really want to sleep all day.
Oh, sure. I think this week is like a hectic day for you. So you're planning to sleep all day long.
Yeah,
Wow.
because
It's
in
a
this
nice.
week it's totally hectic. It's like
Mhm.
last week in the month. Yeah, we
Mm.
have a lot of job.
Yeah, that's
So you
great. Okay, that's good. It's just we need to make the report monthly, right? Okay, so
exactly.
it's really good. Okay, so that's why it's like hectic day. But actually, this is pay. This week is payday.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
indeed.
Okay, but you don't want to go outside just on the weekend, maybe go traveling, something like that.
Maybe next week I will do next week.
Next week that would be better. Okay, nice, this auntie. Kiss. Thank you so much. What about you, Sis Fiona? Sis Fiona, do you have a
Yeah,
plan to spend your weekend this week tomorrow?
for tomorrow. Yes, of course. I'm going to Shenzhen tomorrow.
Oh,
For shopping with my several friends.
mm-hmm. Wow,
Yeah.
it's really good. What do you
Also,
want to buy actually for shopping?
actually, I want to buy some shoes because I don't know
Ah,
why. Even though I have a several shoes, I think around 10 pairs more. But I
wow.
also when I see about the new one about
Okay.
it's a what encourage me to buy again and again.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Sis Fiona. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Okay. All right, Sis Fiona. I hope it will be a great weekend for you. Yeah. Okay. So
Thank you.
nice. It's gonna be different if you live in this in Indonesia, Sis Fiona.
Mm,
Okay. Well done, Sis Fiona. Great job. Enjoy your day. Okay. So hello, Sis Lilik. Welcome back to our class again. Okay, guys. Today we are going to have a reading. Yesterday was listening, this time is reading. Okay. And before we learn about the reading, I will give you an addition topic like I told you yesterday. It is about the pronunciation. We call it this case pop sun. Okay. This is a pop sun. What is pop sun? Okay. So pop sound is, yes, when you speak English, you need to have another sounds in the end of the word. Okay. As a native, they always use this pop sounds. Okay. We call it pop sound. Jadi ada letupan gitu guys ya. Letupan dalam kata. This is about the pronunciation. So we have a part. Look at this. It has two kinds. We have voiceless and voiced. So what is the difference between voiceless and voice itself? Voiceless itu adalah sebuah suara yang ketika mengucap itu hanya di rongga mulut aja. Voice. But it is not all the sounds. Ingat ya, ini bukan huruf teman-teman, suara. Oke, makanya ada tanda miring itu ditandai suara. It's a pop sound, okay? Voiceless. Cuma hanya pengeluaran suaranya itu hanya di rongga mulut. But in voiced is gonna be different. Ini suaranya itu sampai di rongga tenggorokan ya, lebih dalam, kayak di mulut aja. This is voiced. Oke, kalau kita mau ngucapkan suara itu pasti getar nanti guys. Ini guys, apa tenggorokan kita? Like a b, d, g, j. Nah, pasti gerak. But if you want to say voiceless, it just in this part, di rongga mulut aja bagian depan. Ha, ta, ke, che. Simple one. Okay. So this is voiceless and voiced. Okay. And we need to talk a lot about this. Look at this. Let's discuss about a voiceless first. Voiceless, we have two kinds. Ada suara p, pa, 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 t, t ya, t, and k, ka, ka, and cha, cha, cha. Now, when you find this word, I mean this sound, in the end of the word, you need to have the pop sound of that. Teman-teman harus diletupin. Okay? So, for example, you want to say pop. Di akhirnya P juga kan. We need to say pop. Nah, ada letupannya gitu, guys. Okay. Address one, stop. Stop. Not only stop, ada letupannya, stop. Okay. Hope, berharap. I hope. I hope. And then T juga sama nih, guys. Art. Cut. That. Hot. Itu adalah letupan. This is pop sound, everyone. Okay. And you want to say pork, pick, take. I want to take, wake up, wake. Okay. And make. That's great. And then like you want to say catch, match, watch. This week, I would like to watch. Apa nih? Okay. And we have like search, beach, just go to the beach. That's one. Okay. Itu ada letupannya. Maybe you guys as a Muslim, maybe you have ever learned about qalqalah gitu guys ya. Kalau di kita belajar ngaji gitu guys ya. Okay. In this qalqalah. Alpha, you know, like falak, but in this time is gonna be different. Yang kontennya sama, ada letupannya, cuma kita nggak perlu keras-keras. At least minimal kita sendiri yang bisa mendengarkan. So you want to say pop is enough. You don't need to say pop. No, okay, that's a pop. Ya, minimal letupannya kita sendiri yang mendengar. Yang penting kita udah bisa bedain. Oh, kasih letupan ini, gitu guys. Okay. Cat. I love cat. Not only cat, tapi cat. Okay, that's good. This one is a voiceless. Cuma ada 4 aja untuk voiceless. T, G, and ch. Gitu ya. And the rest part is voiced. Voiced. Nah, ini ketika ada B. Ya, B. You can say job. I guess ya. Tube. I like watching YouTube. you want to say like herb, verb, and others one. Okay. And the rest is the day. Pat, sand, flood, food, would, did, child, and the others. Okay. Untuk g sama pick, act, buck, hawk, and others. Ya guys ya. And then if you want to say j, it's like judge, maybe. Okay. Fridge. Okay. Savage. Orange. Change. Image. Nah, this one is voiced. You got it? Okay. Bro Vicky mau highlight dulu untuk B. Guys, if you want to say this, job, and the others, itu kan harus diletupin. Ada pengecualian, guys. Ketika teman-teman ketemu, oh, sorry. This is M and B. M and B in the end, di akhir. M and B di akhir kata. Di akhir kata, ya. For example, what is memanjat, guys? Memanjat in English.
Climb,
Good job.
climb,
Is it climb?
climb.
This one. Di sini ada B-nya. Ketika ada M dan B di akhir kayak gini, guys, kita nggak perlu diletupkan. Malah di silent. Ini silent letter. Kita belajar next level, guys. Oke. Ini B-nya nggak dibaca. Climb. Nggak boleh kita climb. Climb. Oke, ingat-ingat. Pokoknya teman-teman ketemu sama ada suara ya, guys ya. M and B. Ya, guys ya. In the end of the word, B-nya nggak dibaca. Di silent. Jadi ada nggak dianggap gitu, guys ya. You got the point? Kayak siapa nih, guys? Ada nggak dianggap? Sakit gak sih, guys? Oh my God. This one is climb.
Bro Keitaro.
Bro Keitaro. Mana Bro Keitaro? Okay. Hey, what is hey? It's a climb, everyone, ya. Climb. Okay. That's one. Selain itu, tetap ditutupin, teman-teman, ya. Okay. So, kenapa kita harus belajar ini, Bro Vic? This is really important, everyone. Especially in pronunciation. So, just avoid to kind of misunderstanding or miscommunication as well. For example, you want to say food. And what is food? Apa nih food, guys? Food is makanan. What about this one?
Kaki.
Kaki. So, that's one. We need to have the pop song. So, I want to eat food. It's a food, makanan. But we just say, I want to eat food. What? You will eat food? Makan kaki, guys. Nope, right? So that's why it has a different. Just say food and food. I want to buy food. I just walk by my foot. Beda kan? Food. Food. Nah, so that's one of the reasons why do we need to learn and know about pop song. You got the point?
Got it.
Teman-temannya? Okay,
Got
so
it,
come on.
got it.
Let's try to practice. Coba kita practice nih. Start from the first. Anybody wants to read the example of P? P dulu nih. Siapa yang mau membaca nih, guys? Pop, peep, stop, clap, the others. Anyone? Okay, I want to go with Sis Alaya. Sis Alaya, come on.
Okay.
Ready to read that? Yeah.
Wanna try? Please correct me when I have pronunciation mistakes.
Oh, sure. Let's go.
Okay. Pop,
Zami.
peep, stop, clap, snap, hop, rope, dop. Is it enough?
Yes. I thought the last year.
Okay.
Okay.
Scoop, troop, loop, top, heap, trip, tape, tip, trip, keep, stomp, lamp.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sis Alaya. It's a lamp. Yes, great. Okay.
My pleasure.
Yeah, at least ingat yang bisa denger itu minimal ya, paling lirih itu kita sendiri bisa mendengarkan. Okay, that's good. Nice, Sis Alaya. Great job. Okay, what about the others? We have hey, Bro Fajar, try to read this. The t. T ya, suara.
Okay. Beat, art, bed, red, need, root. Is it right? Root,
Okay.
hot, cat, meat, like, right, heat, street, cheat, dead, cat, hunt, hunt,
Okay.
rent.
Right. Okay. That's great. Thank you so much, Bro Fajar. It's gonna be good one. Nice too. Okay. So what about the others want to practice, guys? Sisvinda, come on. Si k. Yo. Suara k.
Heart. Pick.
Hmm?
Stick. What? Take. Wake. Oh, yang mana sih?
Ya, semuanya. Ini ke samping.
Take. Wake. Make. Back. Stop. Hack. Hack. Seek. Hang. Cut. Black. Rock. Smack. Shoot. Lock. Block.
Okay. Block. Okay. Great, Sisvinda. Thank you so much. It's nice. So what about Sispunki? Come on, Sispunki. Yes,
Thank you.
Sure. Oke. Ch itu
Cats.
ketika wait guys.
Oh, iya.
Ketika yang di akhir tuh ini CH ya. CNH itu pasti coh gitu. Oke.
Yes.
Yuk, Sispunki. Go ahead.
Oke. Yang paling tua harus dikasih giliran ya.
Of course. Okay. Why not? Okay.
Cats,
That's good.
match, watch, bench, clutch match, beach, lunch, crunch, patch, hatch, snitch, bridge, reach, ditch, Dutch, search, blitz.
All right,
Right?
great. That's correct. This time is a beach. Okay.
Oh, beach.
Iya, ada
Oke.
penekanannya. Beach. Okay. It's a
Beach.
pantai. If we say
Kalau rich apa itu? Rich itu kaya.
yeah, rich, kaya.
Oh, oke.
Rich. Great. Nice. Thank you so much, Funky. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Okay, so the next is a voiced. This time is a voiced. What about his auntie? His auntie. His auntie. Go on, his auntie. Try cerita what is a b sound.
Job, shop, job.
Ini.
I don't know the three.
Ini.
Robe.
Robe.
Bee,
Yeah, robe.
Robe. Oh, rope. Grab, crab, cap, harp, no, clap, web, ball, tap, cribe, trip, perp, tube, tubey,
Top. Is it top and
top,
tube?
top, tube, cube, tap.
Oh, it's pretty cool. Thank you so much. Great job, this auntie. It's a b. What about you? Says Fiona. It's a d sound. Fiona?
Yeah,
Let's go.
son.
Yeah.
Bat, sand, Sam, bat, read. How to pronounce it?
Bleed.
Bleed, flat, foot, beat, did, lead, kid. How to pronounce it, bro?
Bird.
Bird, word, child, bond, lord, world.
That's good. This is a bird. You know bird. This bird itu adalah
jambang.
Jenggot.
Jenggot.
Jambang.
Yeah.
Rewok.
Yeah, right. It's a beard. Okay, great job, Sis Fiona. Nice. Okay, great job. And the next one says, what about you? Sis Lily, Sis Lily? Sis Lily?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, come on. It's a G. G, yeah? It's a pop
G.
sound.
Okay. Pick, dig, rake, pack, hook, buck, rack, hug, block, flag, wake, pick, mook, fork, tag, big, duck, frog, egg, leg.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Stilik, this
Yeah.
is a hawk.
Hawk.
Hawk, memeluk.
Oh,
And this
yeah.
is a mug.
Mug.
Mug
Mug.
itu kayak, how say this one? It's mangkok itu guys, cangkir, you know?
Oh,
It's a mug. Mug.
Yeah.
Bacanya.
Mug.
Hawk,
Mug.
mug. Okay,
Mug.
great, Stilik.
Thank you.
Amazing. Okay, so the last word, we're gonna go with a Bruzul. Let's go, Bruzul.
Okay,
The last,
Profit.
yeah. This is jah.
Eight, tate, dat, dot, breed, breed, rate, eight, hike,
Huge.
huge, height, large, state, image, range, change, width, port, sweet, orange,
Same
God.
page.
savage, orange.
Yeah, that's good. Savage is like, you know, wow, good job, yeah. So double kill, triple kill, minion, savage. That's right. Wow, good job, bro. Thank you so much, bro. It's amazing. Okay, guys, so we have done it talking about this, and just use it if you want to sound like a native and more, you know, it's better to speak in English, the pronunciation, just use the pop sound. Ini Bro Vicky kirim di chat obrolan teman-teman. Okay. So you can use it, yeah. Okay. This is a pop sound. Okay. So the next should be the one. Okay. All right, everyone. So let's get the audio one and let's get the ball rolling. And we're going to talk about this. Our main topic is about reading. Readings, membaca. Okay, so let's talk about this. And I want to go with you guys to practice. Maybe it should be Brumwardi. Hello, Brumwardi.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Hello.
Brumwardi, do you like reading, bro?
Yes, I like.
Okay, you do?
I
You
like
like
reading.
reading? It's okay. So why? Hey, according to you, Brumwardi, why we should read a book actually?
Because
Why?
when we read the books, it
Mhm.
can be enhance our
Mhm.
uh,
What?
knowledge
Knowledge?
and also our what I called
What? What do you want to say?
apa ya, pengetahuan gitu sama
Yes,
knowledge ya.
knowledge. Yes, that's correct. So,
and
and
more information about something. Maybe it's about speaking or by subject who in it in the book.
that's good. You're right, Spumbardi. That's excellence. Okay, so you know, guys, reading is the important part in learning English, guys. Okay, so by reading, we can improve, we can level up our vocabularies, our pronunciations, okay, our intonation, and moreover, we can know well about the phrases, yeah, the idiom as well. It's really important to have reading. Try to always read, especially if you want to have a good in English. Try to read English book. I guess yeah. Just find the book that you love. Okay. Maybe if you like reading comic book, try to read a comic book. It's okay. If you like reading just a novel, it's okay. Try to read a novel. Just find the convenience book that you like, so you can level up and catch a lot of vocabularies from it. Okay, yes, guys, yeah, is it good? Okay, guys, the next one is, this is our main topic for today. The topic for our reading today is just digital habits across generations. Guys, what is the meaning actually? Apa sih, guys? Digital habits across generation?
Kebiasaan
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 digital lintas generasi.
antar lintas generasi. Okay, that's good. So you know, ada generasi sandwich. Sandwich. Oh, that's so hard, guys. Generasi Z. Okay, generasi millennium and others. Yeah. Okay. So we have Classy Alpha here. Wow, amazing. Okay, so that's one. We talk about this case. Digital habits across generation, okay? And we have 1, 2, 3. We have the text, but I want to give it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, just make it a 5 paragraph. Actually, we have a 6 paragraph, right? Just make it 5. Okay, so guys, digital habit generation. Let's try to read, teman-teman. Yuk kita baca. This is the same like our class previously. We have a reading. Okay, do not forget when you are reading, use the connected speech. Masih ingat guys, connected speech? We have learned it in the class previously. That's about connected speech catenation, menggabungkan kata, menambah suara, merubah suara. Do you still remember that? Okay, that's it everyone. And also use the pop sound that we have been learning so far. Okay, so come on everyone. If you want to read, raise hand. Okay, yang lain meskipun tidak baca, Bro Vicky tunjuk ya, teman-teman tetap membaca semua. Okay, alright. Alright, so everyone, Bro Vicky mute dulu semua, and silakan yang mau baca silakan raise hand, nanti Bro Vicky panggil. The first is Lily. It's Lily. Please read the first paragraph ya. Today's until last one here. Sini ya. Okay, take your time, Miss Lily. Let's go.
Today's digital habits across generations.
Mhm.
Today's grandparents are joining their grandchild on social media, but the different generation online habits couldn't be more different. In the UK, the over 55s are joining Facebook in increasing numbers, meaning that they will soon be the site's second biggest user group, with 3.5 billion users aged 55 until 64 and 2.9 million over 65s.
Okay, great, Sis Lily. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Amazing. Great job. What about you, Bro Fajar? The second paragraph. Let's go.
Okay, bro. Shayla, age 59, says, I joined to see what my grandchildren are doing, as my daughter posts videos and photos of them. It's much better way to see what they're doing than waiting for letters and photos in the post. That's how we did it when I was a child. But I think I'm lucky I get to see so much more of their lives than my grandfathers did.
Wow, great, Professor. Amazing. Okay, guys, look at this. Let's talk about this. Yeah, the first. Today's grandparents are joining the grandchildren. Still, it must be grandchildren. Okay. If you want to say child, kalau ini aja guys, satu aja kayak gini, bacanya child. Okay. But if you want to say children, we cannot say children. It's a grandchildren. Okay. Nice one. Okay. Do not forget, just connect that word when you read everyone. That makes it better. Today's grandparents are, we have consonant sounds in the end and followed by vocal sounds. You can connect that word. Today's grandparents are joining the grandchildren on social media. But the different generations' online habits couldn't be more different. In the UK, by the way everyone, ketika nih ya, in the UK, tetap sama nih, the UK, the over, nih guys, the is article. The ketemu sebuah kata yang awalannya itu vocal sounds, dibaca the. The over. The over. So kira-kira guys masih ingat ini ada vokal sama vokal nih. Ditambah suara apa kira-kira guys? The over. Suara W atau Y? Yay! You was the over. The over. We have vowel and vowel sounds. So for that, you need to put y sound. The over. Masih ingat ya? 55. And don't forget, this is the common mistake, guys, everyone. Guys, 50, 5 saja itu 5. Okay. Nah, kalau 15 itu 15. We cannot say 15. Okay. Alright, everyone. 55, 50 juga 50. 55 is 55. Yang depan dibaca 5, yang belakang dibaca 5. 55. Got it? Okay. 25, maybe 35. Untuk 55, 55. 15. 5 aja, 5. Okay. Next one. Tadi guys, in the UK, the over 55s are joining Facebook in increasing. But digabungin semua. Facebook in increasing numbers. Meaning that they will soon be the site's second biggest user, if you want to connect that word, second biggest user group with 3.5 million user age 55 until 64 and 2.9 million over 65. Okay, that's it everyone. Jadi guys, hari ini, okay, today's grandparents nih. Hari ini guys ya, atau let's say nenek ya, grandparents ya, kakek nenek gitu guys ya. Nenek kakek masa kini saat ini mereka itu join guys dengan cucu-cucunya di sosial media. Oke. Tapi perbedaan generasi dalam habit ya, online habit itu menjadi beda juga. Nah, contohnya di UK ada nih guys, the over 55 are joining Facebook increasing numbers. Jadi guys, orang yang berusia ini ya, orang yang berusia 55 lebih itu pada ikut yang namanya join Facebook nih, ikut Facebook, punya Facebook semua. Artinya, oke, kedepannya nanti bakal ada nih guys, the second biggest user group with 3.5 million user age 55 until 64. Ada 3,5 juta pengguna Facebook itu umur 55 sampai 64 tahun. Dan juga 2,9 juta itu lebih dari 65 tahun, guys. Yaitu, guys, this is like a grandparents, okay? They use the Facebook right now, okay? And then is Shayla. This is the example again. Shayla, age 59. Ya, guys ya. Shayla umur 59 tahun. Says, dia bilang, I joined to see what my grandchildren are doing. Digabung ini. Grandchildren are doing. Shayla, oke, yang umurnya 59 tahun, nenek Shayla, oke. Nah, dia itu guys, ya punya Facebook, punya Facebook ya untuk melihat cucu-cucunya, apa yang dilakukan cucu-cucunya dari sana, gitu guys ya. As my daughter post videos and photos of them, karena anaknya gitu ya, ibunya si cucunya ini, anaknya si Shayla ini selalu mengupload video, foto anak cucunya ini di Facebook, makanya si nenek Shayla ini suka melihatnya di Facebook. It's boleh digabung ini. It's a much better. Nah, guys, akan sangat lebih baik itu nggak boleh more better, just say much better. Okay, much better way to see what they are doing than waiting for letters and photos in the post. Nah, ini akan sangat lebih baik cara ini guys ya, untuk melihat langsung mereka, oke, daripada harus kirim surat, kirim foto kayak gitu guys. That's how we did it when I was child. When I was a child. Digabung semua guys, gak apa-apa. That's how we did it when I was a child. But I think they're good. But I think I'm lucky I get to see so much more of their lives than my grandparents did. Nah, itu yang dilakukan zaman dulu si Shayla itu kalau mau lihat kabarnya cucu-cucunya harus kirim surat, foto dan sebagainya. Oke, so mereka si Shayla ini selalu ini ya merasa bahagia dan lucky banget nih guys ya, beruntung banget nih, yaitu bisa melihat cucunya langsung dari Facebook tadi tanpa menunggu lama kayak neneknya si Sheila dulu, zaman dulu. This one. Okay. So, go ahead to the next part, everyone. Here we go. So, tadi yang ada Sis Jenny. Sis Jenny, come on. Ironisnya,
Ironically, Sheila's grandchildren are less likely to use Facebook themselves. Children under 17 in the UK are leaving the sites. Only 2.2 million users are under 17, but they're not going far from their smartphones. Crew, age 15, even sleep with her phones. It's my alarm clock, so I have to, she says. I look at it before I go to sleep and as soon as I wake up.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Sis Jenny. Nice. Okay, so what about Sis Bromwardi? Bromwardi, let's go.
Siap.
Unlike? Second.
Oh ya, taruh aja yuk, nggak apa-apa yuk. Taruh aja. Makasih yuk. Oke, sorry. Unlike her grandmother's generation, Chloe's age group in spending so much time on their phones at home that they are missing out on spending time with their friends in real life. Sheila, on the other hand, has made contact with old friends from school she hasn't heard from in 40 years. We use Facebook to meet all over the country. She says it's changed my social life completely.
Oh, really cool. Thank you so much, Bromwardi. So, look at this, everyone. Ironisnya, guys, Sheila's grandchildren are less likely to... Guys, look at this. We have vocal and vocal. To and use. Kira-kira penambahan suara apa nih, guys? W, W, or Y? To...
W.
Why?
It's Y. Okay, to
Why?
use. To use Facebook themselves. Children under 17 in the UK are leaving the site. Only 2.2 million users are under 17, but they are not going far from their smartphone. Okay, nah, ironisnya guys, Sheila grandchildren, cucunya si nenek Sheila tadi, ya guys ya, dia itu guys are less likely to use Facebook themselves. Itu ya kurang ya menggunakan Facebook, kurang suka lah guys. Oke. Next one. And okay. Wait a second. Children under 17 in the UK are leaving the site. Ya guys ya, ini anak-anak di bawah 17 tahun itu di Inggris ya, dia itu mulai meninggalkan situs ini atau mulai tidak bermain Facebook. Oke. Oke, so zaman dulu kalau main Facebook pasti namanya kayak gitu, Fajar bla bla bla, pindah bla bla. Nanti kerja di PT Cinta Sejati. Oke. Iya, oke. That's really good. Just to remember that though. Itu Fiona kayaknya nih. Oke, PT-nya banyak nih. Instagram. Okay. Wow. And only 2.2 million users are under 17. Nah, cuma ada 2,2 million juta ya pengguna di bawah 17 tahun. But they're not going far from that smartphone. Meskipun dia nggak main Facebook, dia itu nggak bisa jauh dari HP-nya, guys. We have the example. Chloe. Nih, orang nih, cucunya si Sheila namanya Chloe. Age 15, umurnya 15 tahun. Even sleep with her phone. Ya guys ya. Oke, kayak kita nih, tidur ya juga sama HP kita. It's my alarm clock, so I have to, she says. Si Chloe ini bilang nih guys, kalau HP ini alarm saya, jadi ya nggak bisa jauh darinya gitu ya. Oke, she says that I look at it before I go to sleep and as soon as I wake up. Saya selalu mencarinya ya sebelum saya pergi tidur, sebelum saya tidur juga setelah bangun ya. Pasti ya dicari pertama HP. System like us ya guys ya. Unlike her grandmother's generation, beda dari generasi si neneknya tadi, nenek Sheila tadi, close age group is spending so much time on their mobile phones at home that they are missing out on spending time with their friends in real life. Nah, kalau Chloe tadi, ya guys ya, cucunya tadi, dia itu banyak banget main HP terus ya guys ya, oke, di rumah Tapi malah mereka itu guys meninggalkan untuk main sama orang-orang in the real life gitu guys ya. Social media terus. Beda sama si Sheila dan tadi. On the other hand, has made contact with old friend from school she hasn't heard from in 40 years. Kalau si nenek Sheila tadi beda guys, dia menggunakan mobile phone, media sosial ya, digunakan untuk kontak teman-teman namanya. Mungkin teman-teman sekolahnya dulu yang gak pernah dengar kabarnya sama sekali selama 40 years. We use Facebook to arrange to meet all over the country, she says. Si Sheila bilang nih, dia menggunakan Facebook ya untuk ketemu teman-temannya, untuk ketemu orang baru dari all over the country, penghubungan. She says, it has changed my social life completely. Ini benar-benar ini guys ya, benar-benar mengubah sosial hidupnya, life sosialnya si Sheila tadi. Bedanya seperti itu. Kalau anak zaman sekarang main HP terus ya guys ya, nggak bisa lepas, tapi dia malah meninggalkan kehidupan the real life, nggak main sama temen, nggak sosialisasi dan sebagainya. No. Tapi kalau generasi zaman dulu kayak si nenek Sheila ini menggunakan sosial media untuk ketemu sama teman-teman namanya dulu, malah ketemu guys. Oke. Nah, the next part is the last part here guys. We have Sis Alaya. Sis Alaya, come on, try to read. It's the all. Semuanya Sis Alaya ya.
Oh my, it's
Let's
too
go.
long, bro, my part.
That's alright. Come on.
No, okay.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Teenagers might have their parents to thank for their smartphone and social media addiction, as their parents were the early adopters of the smartphone. Peter, 38, and father of two teenagers, reports that he used to be on his phone or laptop constantly. I was always connected and I felt like I was always working. He says, how could I tell my kid to get off their phones if I was always in front of screen myself? So, in the evening and at weekends, he takes his SIM card out of his smartphone and put it into an old-style mobile phone that can only make calls and send text message. I'm not completely cut off from the world in case of emergencies, but the important thing is I'm setting a better example to my kids and spending more quality time with them. Is it only a matter of time until the generation above and below Peter catch up with the new trend for a less digital life?
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Alaya. Great job killing it. Okay, guys, look at this. Teenagers might have their parent to thank for their smartphone and social media addiction, as their parent were they early adopters of the smartphone as well. Nah, untuk teenagers nih guys ya, untuk anak-anak belasan tahun, as teenagers, remaja, ya mungkin harus terima kasih nih guys ya, oke, kepada orang tua mereka atas yes, dia bisa menggunakan yang namanya sosial media, smartphone gitu guys ya. Oke. Sebagaimana orang tuanya yang sudah mengadopsi atau menggunakan smartphone juga. So we have an example. Peter is 38 years old. Umurnya 38 tahun. And father of two teenagers. Dia itu seorang ayah yang punya 2 anak remaja. Report that he used to be on his phone or laptop consistently. Dia itu guys melaporkan, dia bilang nih, kalau dia selalu menggunakan HP, laptop, constantly, terus-terusan. Okay? I was always connected and I felt like I was always working, he says. Dia itu selalu bilang guys, saya selalu ya menggunakan laptop HP-nya karena ya dia bekerja menggunakan itu. How could I tell my kids to get off that phone if I was always in front of a screen myself? Dia bilang guys, bagaimana saya bisa bilang ke anak saya untuk jangan selalu main handphone biar kecanduan mobile phone, sedangkan saya sendiri juga selalu di depan kamera, di depan screen, di depan HP ya. So in the evenings And at the weekends, di malam hari atau di akhir pekan, he takes his SIM card out of his smartphone and puts it into an old-style mobile phone. They can only make calls and send the message. Jadi di akhir pekan atau di malam hari, si bapaknya dari si Peter itu selalu mengambil SIM cardnya, dari HP smartphone, dipindah ke HP jadulnya gitu guys ya. Yang HP-nya jadul itu hanya bisa untuk telepon dan text message aja, nggak boleh sosial media lain. I'm not completely cut off from the world in case of emergencies. Ya, dia nggak mungkin si Peter ini meninggalkan atau benar-benar tidak main HP karena untuk pekerjaan, apalagi panggilan emergencies. But the important thing is I'm setting a better example to my kids and spending more quality time with them. Yang paling penting tetap nih guys ya, dia mencoba nih mengatur, tetap memberikan contoh yang terbaik kepada anak-anaknya untuk spending more quality time with them. Is it only a matter of time until the generation above and below Peter catch up with the new trend for a less digital life? This is our topic, everyone. Yeah. Okay, so we have just talked about this. And what about you guys? It's a practice time. We are going to talk about this a lot, actually, guys. Okay, and go ahead to the next part. And by the way, do you have any question about this, guys? Apakah teman-teman ada pertanyaan tentang ini, guys? The reading time? The information, the digital habits across generation. Anyone has a question about this?
No.
bro.
Nope. Okay, so clear, right? Okay, so guys, I make my own question and discuss about this, teman-teman. We just talk about this. This is the same like I give you what is the group? Mana nih grupnya? Oh, India. Okay, so just talk about this at the breakout room. You can talk about this topic. Yes, what a second. So this time it should be like, guys, kelihatan dulu. Okay. How do you usually spend your time online? What about you guys? What is your favorite social media platform? Do you still use Facebook, everyone? Or even like Instagram? Another one is the news like a TikTok maybe? Do you feel addicted to your phone? How do you manage your screen time? How do you think older and younger generation, bahasanya generations differ in their use of technology? Menurut teman-teman gimana sih guys? Generasi muda sama generasi tua guys ya, bedanya dalam menggunakan teknologi. And what are the positive and negative impact of digital technology on your daily life? Do you prefer face-to-face interaction or digital communication? Which one? How has technology changed the way you work? If you are still study, that's the way you study. Okay, so just talk about this everyone on the breakout room and make it fun, yeah, and see you there everyone. How many people are here? I want to make it that. So that would be this. Ada yang 3 ya, satu room teman-teman. So just join the breakout room and make it fun, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours. And good luck, everyone. See you. So, okay, so you guys will come back to the main room. And guys, thank you so much. I do appreciate it, your conversation today. That was nice to talk a lot about your experience, even your social media. I mean, like you use the social media recently, okay, and you try to compare with the another generations, your habitual, even the addictive as well. Thank you so much, everyone. So good. And the next, I would like to ask you guys to have 1 minute challenge before I give you the feedback for this time. And for today, I want to go with Sis Lilik. Sis Lilik, hello Sis Lilik. Sis Lilik. Sis Lilik, come on. It's your turn to have the 1 minute challenge. Try to tell us you're discussing about. Okay, Sis
Yeah,
Lilik. Yep. You give
I'm
you some
not
1
ready.
minute. You must be ready. All right. You can do it, Sis Lilik. Okay?
I can do that.
You can do it. You can just talk about your discussion. Dan diskusin apa nih sama si Siani? Bro Fajar. Okay.
Yang lain aja dah, bro.
Cecilik, you can do it. Never give. You can try it, Cecilik. Coba dulu ya. Gak apa-apa, guys. 1 menit. Yang penting just try to speak up. Okay? Cecilik, you can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, Cecilik. Time is yours.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I would like to tell you. Yeah, you can say that.
Okay, I will tell you in breakout room with I have Miss Niar, Miss Sis Alaya. We discuss about a social media platform, a favorite social media platform, and about how the phone make addicted or no or not to us, and how we think older and younger generation different in our use technology. So we get nice conversation, and until until
Yeah.
time get out until
Okay. Time is over.
Yeah.
That's a good. Cecilik, you are so good.
Thank you.
That's right. You can do it, right? It's a good, Cecilik. Nice.
Thank you,
You
bro.
do it. You did it. Okay. Most welcome. Guys, the next one, I will give you feedback overall, and I want to highlight this. That's about preposition. So you guys, if you want to use di, tapi konteksnya itu di social media, we cannot say in. I always upload my video or watch video in YouTube, in TikTok, in Instagram. No, we should use on. Okay, on. The preposition is a on. Social media, dunia maya, teman-teman, internet. The correct one is a on, bukan in. On YouTube, I watch video on YouTube. I watch video on TikTok. Okay, I like reading books, or maybe I like watching the picture on Instagram. That's one is on, not in. Yeah. Okay. And the next, if you wanna say memutuskan hubungan, itu apa sih, guys?
Break up.
Break up is putus hubungan.
Putus.
So, putus hubungan sama orang, maybe in social media you can say cut off, teman-teman.
Oh iya, cut off.
Cut off. Cut off.
Bahasa Gen Z padahal itu.
Oh iya? Oh iya, guys. Oh, I didn't guess. Cut off. Oh iya, guys, ya. Oke. Cut off itu memutuskan hubungan ya. Hubungan. Oke. Iya, guys. Oh iya, ini bahasa Gen Z, guys, ya. Oke. Cut off. Cut off. That's it. And then if you want to say, wait a second. Lalai. Sis Finda, what is lalai? Tadi apa lalai?
Ya, apa tadi lupa lagi tuh.
Yeah, Sis Fiona?
Clumsy.
Okay. So actually, guys, that would be better if you want to say, itu teroboh ya. Kalau lalai, yeah, you can say careless, atau the specific one, you can say negligent. You know, the negligent.
Negligent.
It's a negligent. Negligent. Ini lalai, teman-teman. Oh, just say careless juga boleh. Okay. Careless. Okay, the same ya. Tapi kalau careless itu lebih ke ini, guys ya. How is it that one? Sembrono gitu, guys ya. Okay, so actually you can say this one. Ini, guys ya, mau bilang lalai. But I suggest you just say negligent. Ya, guys ya. It's negligent if you want to say lalai. It's adjective. I'm negligent, blah blah blah. Itu adjektif, teman-teman, di sini. Okay. So the next one, guys, if you want to say belakangan ini saya selalu menggunakan TikTok. Belakangan ini atau akhir-akhir ini berarti gimana, guys?
Lately.
Yeah, lately I always use TikTok. That's one. So
How
this
about
is
recently?
Recently itu saat ini gitu ya. Recently itu
Oh.
lebih ke baru-baru
Nowadays,
ini.
nowadays,
Nowadays. Ya,
nowadays, yes.
ya, you can say lately itu lebih ke belakangan ini. Kalau recently itu baru-baru ini, nowadays, saat ini, sekarang-sekarang ini gitu. Oke, so basically is the same. Itu banyak sama teman-teman konteksnya ya. But if you want to specific belakangan ini, lately gitu guys. Belakangan ini, you can be recently, baru-baru ini, nowadays, sekarang-sekarang ini. Yeah, you can say that one. Okay, got it everyone, yeah. Okay, and overall, you are so good for today, guys. Lovely. Thank you so much, guys. Nice one. Do you have any question, everyone?
No.
Nope. Is it great?
No.
The question so
No.
far sounds great. So, by the way, guys, this is our 5th meeting. So, I suggest you guys, if you want to continue, maybe to practice a lot and just join the Discord. Anyone, guys, maybe hasn't ever joined this communities, I mean the Discord. Ada gak sih guys yang belum pernah nih? Never join the Discord? Anyone?
Sudah pernah.
Sudah ya. Okay, so guys, you can join the Discord and practice your English over there, right? Okay, is it good? And every Saturday night or maybe Sunday night, it has a tutorial as well, right? But yeah, so just join that one. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. Just try to speak up over there, like I said. Just build your confidence. That's the point. Okay, so guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today. This is our topic, and before we end the class, one riddle. Anyone has a riddle?
Aku.
Satu ya. Oke, satu di hari ini. Sistiar. Oke, boleh. Come on, it's riddle time. Let's go, Sistiar.
Nanti yang tadi dikasih ke orang lain tuh sama Bro Vicky.
Oke, Sistiar. Let's go.
What is the difference between pinjol and Bro Vicky?
Oh
my.
Oh, what is that? Pinjol.
Pinjol is berbahaya, Bro Vicky.
Kalau pinjol ditagih, kalau Bro Vicky bikin nagih.
Oh iya. So what is the answer? I have no idea.
Kalau aku jawab, kalau pinjol murah, kalau Bro Vicky muah. Enggak, ding, bukan itu lagi jawabannya. Bisa 3 hari nanti muah-muahan.
3 hari muah-muahnya. Tadi udah ganti ya.
What's that?
Kalau pinjol itu utang, kalau Bro Vicky tayang.
Tayang. Oh my god, guys. Really good. Nice. Oke, guys. Aduh, besok kayaknya nggak bisa tidur lagi nih.
Iya, kayak 3 hari nggak bisa tidur ya, Bro Vicky.
Iya nih kayaknya nih. Aduh, guys. Oke, tayang. Pinjol nih, gara-gara pinjol nih. Oh my god, that's a great tutorial.
You must remember us.
Of course, absolutely. I always remember you guys. Okay, that's it, cool. All right, guys, thank you so much, everyone. This is Daniel. You're so amazing.
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, we will meet again next week on Monday. Yeah. Okay. So just happy weekend, everyone. Happy family time. Happy holiday. Yeah. Just maybe you can do anything else you want. Spend time with your lovely one on the weekend. Okay, and don't forget yang masih sendiri. Okay, jomblos. Okay, come on guys, let's join the Discord everyone ya. Okay, sesama jomblo harus saling
lagi ya.
You don't need to worry. Maybe your future wife not born yet.
Ya betul. Nanti kita ketemu di Discord.
Belum lahir kali, coach.
Belum lahir guys. Aduh.
Oh iya bener. Biar nggak kalah sama Luna Maya ya sis.
Oh my god. Okay. Well done. Thank you so much everyone. Dan as I say, guys, speaking partner.
We
are
the best partner.
What's password, guys?
Bye.
Bye everyone. Happy weekend, guys.
Yeah, bye. Thank you for today.
Happy weekend all.